Hi, hello, namaste, good evening, adab. Ellarku vanakkam, namaskara. In this video, we are going to see how to find peak element in an array. Let's go, guys. Hope you guys are seeing the code. So, in this code, we have all the things like we have array, we have wrote the logic and all, how to implement it. So, let's start from the scratch, okay? First, we need an array, okay? We need an array, let it be like okay, 7 elements are there, okay? Before going to know this, what is meant by peak value, let me explain you guys. Yeah, hope you guys can see this. Yeah guys, if you carefully observe here, the meaning itself, we are gonna see what is meant by the peak value and all. So peak value is nothing but in an array, what is the peak element? Like 7 is the peak, like highest element, like greater than all the numbers, right? So here it is 1 2 3 4 5, easily we can notice. So 7 is the peak element, okay? 7 is the peak element. And if we take another example, let it be like, yeah, same example, just yeah, in this I'm going to change a little bit. Like here I'm going to put 8 in the instead of 4 I'm going to put 8. Okay, let me erase this, you may get confused. I will drop. Okay, yeah, in this example, please guess guys, what may be the peak element in this array, okay? Pause the video and tell me the answer in the comment section. Okay, I am going with some different examples, okay? Yeah guys, hope you got the answer. The answer for this second array is nothing but obviously 8, okay, because 8 is the peakest value and peak element in the array. And the third one, that is nothing but 9, it is placed in the n-1 length of 7-1 sixth index, okay? And after that it is on the first, 9 is placed on the first, and next it is placed on the last as usually. So if you carefully observe here, there are 4 logics here guys, okay? Those 4 logics are nothing but whether the last, okay, the last should be the peak value, okay, the last one, or the front one, that is nothing but front, okay? So I am here, I want to write a logic, okay? If I is nothing but 0 is one possibility, and the same I, okay, we are going to take the range, right? So that specific I may be n-1, okay, length of array -1, okay? These are 2 possibilities. And what under all the exact needed things, or it should be there only. So those are nothing but see here, okay, a of I, that is nothing but the each and every, whatever maybe the element is, okay, whatever maybe the element is, it should be greater than previous element and after element, right? See, like this, okay? Hope you got the answer guys. Yeah, it should be greater than I-1, okay? That is nothing but the previous element and at the same point of time, okay? So we are using and, okay, because both conditions should be satisfied, right? So in that case we are going to use and, okay? That particular I should also be greater than what? Make a guess. Pause the video and make a guess, okay? It should be greater than all the things, right? So that particular indexed thing should be greater than the past one and the future one also, right? So this is the main thing guys. Hope you got the point, okay? We covered all the things, okay? For example, it is not and, okay, it should be or, because both cannot be done, right? So either it should be at last or it should be at front if it is not satisfied, okay? if we are going forward, in this example, see, it is placed in the last thing, okay, I minus 1, but and it should be also greater than the previous one, right? So because there is no such element after 7, okay, before 7 only we should see, okay, that is nothing but whether the 7 is greater than the previous one, that is nothing but 6 or not. Yeah, okay, it satisfied this condition, and as well as I is equals to n minus 1 condition. So this thing done, okay. And the second thing is, see, it is not either I is equal to 0 or n minus 1, it is I should be a of I, that is nothing but 8 should be greater than 3 and 5, okay, because I minus 1, I plus 1, okay. Hope you guys understand. And we are going inside, this is also the thing, okay. 9 is greater than 5 and 7, so again, so but here now understand, a is equals to, try to understand, sorry, a is equals to 9 2 3 7, okay. I is placed on the 0th index itself, and it should be greater than I plus 1 because there is no such element before 9, okay. We should see after the 9, okay. 9 is greater than 2 or not? Yeah, correct, okay. This condition also satisfied. So a is equals to, as usually, same as the first thing, n minus 1, and it should be satisfied the previous thing, okay. A of I is greater than a of I minus 1. Yeah, hope you guys got the clarity, okay. I am going with the code itself, okay. Yeah, with the same thing. And so I am taking for I in range of, we can take the range or we can directly put for I in a, okay. I am going with this. So len of a, okay. And guys, as usually, if O, okay, we are going to perform if conditional statement, using conditional statement, whether the I equals to 0 or what, or right. So sorry, before going to that, or what I should be, a of I, okay, a of I should be what, if it is, imagine like it, if it is 0th index, so it should be greater than a of I plus 1, right? So a of I plus 1, we got the point. And that particular I should be less than, should be equals to what, length of a, that is nothing but 7 minus 1, okay, whether it is placed on the last, okay. And the thing, wait, don't confuse about parenthesis, okay. Be careful while using parenthesis. If we are going to lose the parenthesis understanding, we may lose the whole logic, okay. Or that particular a of I should be greater than what, a of I minus 1. So many spaces, right? Okay, then what we need to do, just print that thing, okay. Print what, the peak element in array is what, that particular a of I, okay. And after that, don't forget to break. If we are not breaking, the all the peak elements one by one will come, okay. Yeah, hope we will get the answer. Yeah, I guess, guys. Let's have a look what may be the issue. The issue is I equals to 0 and not r, okay, and I should be less than or equal to, wait guys, I will explain you. After getting the correct answer only I will explain. Peak element again, why, what may be the reason, guys? Whether it should be I equals to 0, yeah, or and right, I think, yeah, think again, guys, what may be the issue. Yeah guys, what may be the error? We did all the things. Yeah, okay. Guys, I made a small mistake, I confused with brackets and also. So now the logic is correct, okay. I equals to 0, and at the same point of time I should be greater than the next one, okay. Or if I is at the last position, like a peak value, if the peak value is at our last position, then it should be greater than I minus 1. Simple logic, right? Why I confused, I don't know. Yeah, just doing some small things. The peak element is, yeah guys, now we are going to check. Yeah, the peak element is 9 as usually. If I change this 7 here also, we will get the same output, okay. Yeah, same. And if I am going to change this like 10, let's see, we are getting the all outputs, guys, okay. Let it be like 33, the output should be 33, right? Yeah. Oh, what happened again? Okay, it is going to check at the first. So yeah, again something happened. So what we need to do? Okay, just give me some minute, guys, I will be back. Yeah guys, I took the help of AI, chat GPT and all. So it is showing that what maybe the error is, there are two possibilities, okay. Whether the peak element should be at first or the end, or it should be at the middle. So if it is there in the first only, then we have two options, okay. Whether we need to break or getting the first peak element, like this in this previous example, or if we want all the peak elements, we should remove the break. That is the only option it is showing. So please comment if you know any solution for this. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day, guys.